time. That reduces the job of changing the heating pads again and again. Here we introduce the control panel of the machine. This is the power. Next is the time settings, the temperature. On the right is the heating power. Next is the vacuum. And the last one is the starting time. For your attention, don't plug the machine for 2 minutes. This is the picture clicked before. We just take the print out of the picture. Now, our technician will help us to show how we can do the sublimation on the iPhone cover. This is the packing tape. You can stick the ends of the picture to the iPhone cover. Same he did on the other end of the cover. Turn on the power, press the heating button. Wait for 2 minutes to reach the heating point. When the machine starts beeping, it means that it has reached the heating temperature. Now it's ready for the sublimation. Put on the gloves. Please note, these are the special heat-proof gloves. Open the tray. Press the green button. You can put the oven back into the machine. Open the cover of the heating pad and, as you can see, put the mobile cover into the heating pad. Close the cover of the heating pad firmly. This is the air hose link. You can put the air hose link into the oven. Here it is. Now it's ready for the sublimation. Put the oven back into the machine and press the timing button. When the time is over, you can hear the beep that the sublimation is ready now. Put on the heat-proof gloves to take out the cover. This is how you can take out the cover. Take out the oven from the machine. Take out the heating pad. Put the oven back as before. Open the cover of the heating pad. And be careful, it's hot. Open the paper of the iPhone cover. Wow, you can see the sublimation on the iPhone cover. Can you see the color effects? It's very soft because it's hot now. To cool it down, put it in a special mode. This is how it fits in the special mode. Now put on the silicone cover to protect your iPhone. The silicone cover is better, that can protect your phone. When the sublimation cools down after 2 minutes, you can attach it to the silicone cover. iPhone cover to the phone. Wow, how beautiful it looks now. Now we introduce the process of sublimation on different cups. As you see, first we do the sublimations on the coffee mugs. Take the picture you want, print it and attach it to the coffee mug with the tape like this. Attach the cup to the rubber clamp. This is how our technician is doing. We can put 4 coffee mugs at a time. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Same is the process for the couple mugs. As you can see, whatever picture you want, take the print, stick it on the mugs, apply a tape on it. Stick the picture firmly on the cup using the tape. Now use a special mode for the couple mugs. To stick the picture firmly, put it in the special mode and cover it with the cover. Now it's ready for the sublimation. Put the heating pad into the oven. First of all, cancel the settings of the 3D film. For that, press the time setting button for 5 seconds. Press the minus button, and when the settings comes to 0, press the plus button. After 3 seconds, you can see the on and off on the display. For the white mug, the temperature setting is 190 degrees and the time setting is 360 seconds. For the couple mug, the temperature is 190 degrees and the time setting is 600 seconds. Because the mode has a cover, so it takes a longer time, that is 600 seconds. Now we show you the heating process on the shot glasses. The process is the same. We can do 4 glasses at a time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Cover the special mode with the cover. It needs to get vacuumated. Press the vacuum button and you can see the process of vacuumation. The temperature setting is 190 degrees and the time needs is 480 seconds. Nowadays, sublimation on the ceramic plate is very popular. It's one of the art that attract the people. For that, take a picture, stick it on the center of the plate using the tape. Cover it with the silicone mold. Please pay attention how our technician is doing it. Use one hand to hold the plate and with the other hand you can cover the mold on the plate. Now attach the air hose to the machine. Take the oven out of the machine. There is a hole where you can attach the air hose. Attach the other air hose to the ceramic plate Now start the vacuum of the machine. You can see how fast the ceramic plate is getting vacuumated. Put it inside, close the machine and set the temperature to 190 degrees and the time is 360 seconds. When the time is over, you can hear the beep of the machine. Turn it off and take out the plate from the oven. Can't wait to see the effect of the sublimation. Wow, you see how beautiful it is. Perfect for the living room. Now, if you want the full sublimation on the plate, for that we need the 3D film. The process of the 3D film is same as we have done for iPhone cover. This year we have developed new modes for the 3 layers cup. This is with handle and this is without handle. Now here we introduce the process of the sublimation. If you want the sublimation on 3 layer cup, this is how we do. This is the already stick paper on the cup. You can see inside also we have a picture. So it's 3 layer sublimation on this cup. For this, put the cup with the picture into the mold. Cover it with the mold cover. Now it's ready to put in the machine. This is how we do our process. Take out the oven. If the air hose is already attached, just attach the other end to the mold. Press the vacuum button. You can see the cup is getting vacuumated. When the vacuumation is done, put the cover in the oven, put it in the machine, set the temperature to 190 degrees and the time setting is 360 seconds. Long ago, we can do the sublimations only on the circular bottle, but our company has developed the new modes that can also do the sublimations on the triangular models. Here we introduce the sublimation process of the triangular model. This is the special mode. You can also make it bigger, depends on the size of your product. Put the mode in the mold, cover the mold, and rest of the process is the same. Attach one end of the air hose to the cover of the mold and start the vacuum button. You can see the triangular bottle is getting vacuumated. The shape is easily visible after vacuumation. This is the plastic bottle. When you do the plastic sublimation, please take care the plastic mug should be 2 layers because the plastic can melt very easily. So when you want to do the sublimation, just put the second layer into the mold, cover it with the mold cover, attach the air hose to the mold cover, and start the vacuum button. You can see the plastic cover is getting vacuumated. Now it's ready for the sublimation. When the time is over, we can hear the beep of the machine. Here it goes. Now let's see the sublimation on the 3-layer cup. Take out the cup from the mold. You can see the beautiful mug. The first layer, the second layer, and also we have the third layer inside the mug. This is the third layer inside the mug. Isn't it a beautiful present for your kids? Now we introduce the sublimation process on the crystals and slates. The biggest size of the crystals and slates should be 15 by 20 by 2 centimeter. Take the heating pad of the machine and unplug the 2 rubbers that are attached to the heating pads. Put the crystal inside the tray. And cover the heating pad. Attach the air hose to the end of the heating pad and start the vacuum button. You can see how the crystal is getting vacuumated. The temperature should be 190 degrees and the time setting is 360 seconds. Here are the accessories that comes with the machine. The first one is the 7 pieces of iPhone cover model. Next is the cooling pad. The other one is the silicone cover of the ceramic plate. Couple mug mold. The mold for the cups without handle. The mold for the cup with handle. 3D film silicone cover, 2 sealing lines, 1 mold with cover for the bar glasses, a hair hose, heat-proof gloves, and 4 rubber clamps for the coffee mugs, and a memory stick with the specification and software of